Our Will Volk is live in Jefferson County, where this closure is expected to start Monday. Will, what can you tell us? That's right, Will. I'm standing in Jefferson County at the intersection of State Route 171, State Route 24, and US 221. This is an intersection where GDOT has some work planned, and I had an exclusive interview with a GDOT spokesperson. We just have a responsibility to the citizens of Georgia to maintain their roads, and this cross pipe needs to be repaired, and that's what we're going to do. District 2 Communications Officer Will Volk says the pipe crossing is located right at the intersection. GDOT crews have already started staging equipment. To do this work, they'll need to shut down State Route 171 to through traffic between the Fall Line Freeway and US 221. But Volk says there is a detour. I mean, all right, let's say you're coming from Edge Hill, right? So you can't go down 171 because we'll have work at this intersection. Instead, you're going to go down the Fall Line Freeway east till you hit State Route 296, turn right, then follow 296 until you get to US 221, aka US 1. You're going to get a beautiful look at our work zone there. Some good progress being made on that widening project, by the way. Once you get to Louisville, don't continue on US 1, continue on US 221, follow that route through town. That'll get you back here to this work site. Volk says this work should last from Monday, July 28th until Thursday, July 31st. He encourages safety around the work site. You know, these workers, they have families. They want to go back home to their families at the end of the day. You can help them do that. Just do the right things when you navigate these work zones. Slow down. Put the phones down. Those are the big things I like to say, but just also expect the unexpected. Again, this work will happen from Monday, July 28th until Thursday, July 31st. That's it for me. I'm going to send it back to you, Will. Thanks, Will. We're all very proud of you. Coming up next, sign washing. What is it? How is it done? We're going to hear from... Hey, wait a minute. Doesn't that guy look a lot like our reporter? And the GDOT spokesman? And me?